Alright, Dexter today. Got some air conditioners at the train depot. There's a roundhouse right there. I'm gonna film this air soon. Right, we're gonna train XC1000. Yeah, all these are off today. Got a train XC1000 right here. This is a small version. Unique one. That small one. Most of these small ones have 2 blades. This one actually has 3 blades. Kind of interesting. What compressor is that? What is this? Hope I'm lubricating. Yeah, I like this thing. It's nice. I don't know, so like the power. Yeah. Should still have the power. And this thing is old. Products from 1996. Yeah, it's a 1996 train XC1000. Yeah, here's that. I need to get back here. I want to phone too. Yeah, this is a Janet Scroll unit. Flash Coming Desert Series, whatever this thing is. Here's a fair girl. Actually has 2 blades. That's interesting. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I'm not sure. I'm not running either. I don't know what this is. Yeah, this thing might. Yeah, this is a Concord. Yeah, this thing is a Concord. It has 2 fan blades, as you can see. It has a. What compressor is that? That's a Cobalt scroll compressor. Still hooked up to power? No.
What are you touching into though?
Yeah, it's still. I think this thing's still hooked to power. It's a Concord. 2 fan blades. That's from one of these for. Hasn't been running. You know. Yeah, pretty rare. It's shaky.
What are the ones over there? You know where they are?
One that long as well.
Okay.
There's the antique storage right there. Yeah, here's the long. It's still hooked up to power. So, you can see the gas pack and that thing. It's not running either. You can see it has 4 fan blades.
Why does it have a hole in the screen?
I don't know. Yeah, I like these. Oh, no compressor in this thing. This thing might be dead. There's no compressor in it. It's weird. Now let's go all the way around to the roundhouse units. Yeah. The Concord looks like from 2001. Here. It's a long time to get to these units. Yeah, they're still here. So I don't know if I'm running though. It's still hooked to the power. You know, people. But yeah, we got the HAL 5000 unit. Nothing. Oh, all these are off. The HAL 5000. That looks like a program reset on this. Traffic C5000. That's awesome. Now she's having to run because the building's closed. All these are still hooked up to power. Yep, he has been running. Yeah. But for train RCs, what systems? Yeah, that's a. These all have big recips. Yeah. Yeah, none of these have been running sadly. I get started up. Yeah, I think right there's buzz. Yeah, all these have 3. Each of the fans have 3 families. Yeah, nice units. Yeah. Ooh, step right here. Alright, over now.